Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to our restaurant. How can I help you?
I have a reservation.
May I have your name and confirmation under your reservation, ma'am?
My name is Darlene Gabihan and the reservation is under my name.
I will lead you to our table. This way, ma'am. This way, ma'am. Please be seated. Excuse me, ma'am. May I lay your napkin on your lap, ma'am? Sure. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like me to fill the glass of water, ma'am?
Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Here's the menu for our food selection. Excuse me, ma'am. May I take your order now?
Okay, I would like to have a beef bites, chicken
Rice,
kimchi fried rice,
kimchi, kimchi.
carbonara, and mango milk.
How about your drinks, ma'am? Do you want to try our bestseller, the Dalgona coffee?
Okay, sure.
Ma'am, I will repeat your order. One beef bites, one kimchi, one carbonara, one mango milk, and you try our bestseller is the Dalgona coffee.
Yes, that's right.
Ma'am, I would like to inform you your order will be delivered in 15 minutes.
Okay.
Excuse me, ma'am, here's your food. The beef bites, kimchi, carbonara, mango milk, and the dalgona coffee. Excuse me, ma'am. Are you done? May I clean the table?
Yes.
May I ask if how would you like to settle your bill, ma'am? Cash or debit card?
Two hash.
Okay, ma'am. Your total bill is 500 pesos. Ma'am, thank you for visiting our restaurant. I hope to see you again.
Thank you.
Ma'am, would you like me to assist you when going out?
Yes, please.
Okay, this way po.